I better watch the road instead of counting the buzzards. Probably gonna use is that one? Yeah.
It sure is great looking. It was almost like it was sunnier yesterday.
Yeah. What you just say? A little bird dropped. That's crazy to say.
And there's that, see that thing with the blue handle? Like when I was down here picking berries one day, I thought that somebody left a Dyson vacuum cleaner in there. What is that, a water pump thing? Or
I think it's a gas.
gas.
Hickey. I thought we did pretty good.
Yeah, we really did.
Hill.
It's coming down now though.
Oh, you're going to be fine. We'll stop. Is that barbed wire? No, it's a tree branch.
Thankfully,
over here where we've got some traction.
Since I've been here, I have not been on this road and encountered another vehicle coming the other way.
Well, I hope we don't this time.
Oh, me too.
Take our time. We have nowhere important to go. I would have brought the truck had the battery charged.
Yeah. Are you gonna have to jump it with this?
He's got a battery charger there. I think he needs a new battery.
Because I need to charge mine too. It's totally dead.
I think he's right here's going to be the sticky part.
At least it looks like there's traction here.
This ringing is killing me.
Sorry.
Okay. I'd rather be over in the ditches over the hill.
Me too.
I believe we're gonna be.
Yeah, I think so too. That was adventurous. I see more of that mountain is eroding right there too because it's got the snow is
Look
dirty.
at the coal that's fell out.
Oh, that's crazy.
and washed out.